Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to turn on YouTube comments. First, open your YouTube. Second, go to your YouTube studio by clicking your first name letter or profile picture at the top right corner. Then, click YouTube Studio. At the left side corner, click Settings. Go to Channel and click Advanced Settings. You can see that they ask if you want to set your channel as made for kids. If you want, you click yes, but the comment will be disabled. If you want to enable your comments, click no, not made for kids. And if you're in between, choose the last one. After that, go to Community and click Default. Here, you will have an options. First is allowing all comments. Second is for hiding inappropriate comments and for you to review. Third is hold comments for you to review. Last is to disable all comments. But today's video are about turning on comments. So click allow all comments. Then click save. And that's it. Now you know how to turn on YouTube comments. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you on my next tutorials.